Hello everyone. For the past 2 decades, the International Space Station have hosted hundreds of astronauts from over 18 countries. And it's been serving mankind since November 1998. First, let us know about the International Space Station. As I mentioned, the International Space Station was launched in November 1998. But in 1998, only a piece of it was launched, not the whole space station as we see pictures of it nowadays. And after its first launch, more and more pieces have been added over the time. On November 2, 2000, the first presidential crew arrived on the International Space Station, and even then too, the space station wasn't completed. NASA and its partners from all around the world completed construction of the space station in 2011, 13 years after the first launch. If we talk about how the big space station is, the space station covers the area of a football field. There's 5 bedrooms which are able to support a crew of 6 people plus visitors. Currently, NASA contributes $3 billion per year out of its $19 billion budget to maintain and operate the ISS. If we talk about the cost spent on the ISS, the International Space Station, since the beginning is more than $100 billion. So after spending billions of dollars on this space station, what will be the future of it? Will NASA just use it to serve astronauts, or they have some big plans for it in the future? So, subscribe to my channel and let's start. National Space Station has been in the news in recent times, more for accident than discoveries. And this is happening at the time when China is aggressively pushing its space ambitions with a separate plan. The latest incident, smoke came out of the station that triggered alarm in the living quarters. And this is not the first time. There have been many incidents that have been taken place on the International Space Station. And it will take another 5 to 6 years to make a stable space station to provide more living and research space for astronauts and scientists. The US is focused on the International Space Station to serve as the largest hub for scientific research and other research related to space and orbits. But the ISS will not last that long to accomplish this research. I will tell you why. But why I said just US is focused, not Russia? Because Russia is now not with US for the International Space Station. Russia has their own plans to launch their own space station by 2030. And Russia is not alone to launch their own space station. China also sent the core for its space station named Tiangong in April, and also sent 3 astronauts up in June. But the space station probably won't be complete until late 2022. And if you want all the information about Tiangong, I will give a link in the description. Go and read about it. How it works, what is China planning for their space station, link is in the description. After giving all this information, let's get on to the point of the video. What exactly will happen to the International Space Station? Will it die in the future? The short answer is yes. The International Space Station can't stay up there forever, and it's not my personal point of view. All through, its modules were originally designed for a 15-year lifespan. The ISS is slated to operate until its 30th anniversary in 2028, with NASA's ongoing program of maintenance and renewal of the ISS. But don't worry, space station will be replaced, not removed. It will not be the end of the space station. SpaceX and NASA are targeting April 15, 2022 for the launch of the Crew 4 mission to the International Space Station. Agency officials announced on September 7, if all goes according to plan, a SpaceX Crew Dragon capsule will be launched that day, atop a Falcon 9 rocket from NASA's Kennedy Space Station in Florida. Right now, SpaceX has become the king of the space industry. Elon Musk's popularity is increasing with his companies SpaceX and Tesla, earning a profit of billions of dollars. So what next for SpaceX? That's the story for some other video.